Small, stunning, yet simple. This Jura ENA 8 automatic coffee machine is a must for all coffee lovers and connoisseurs. The stainless steel body features a metropolitan black accent that is clean and fresh for any countertop. This machine has a small, compact design with a round water reservoir makes this machine both simple and elegant. With a color display and coffee grinder with 10 specialties, the ENA 8 is the best choice for your kitchen. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Small. Only 10.7 inches wide, 12.7 inches high, and 17.5 inches deep, this 1-cup machine will comfortably fit anywhere. Number 2. Stunning. A particular highlight of the design is the round water tank. Its pattern combined with its cylindrical shape is inspired by premium crystal carafes. Number 3. Simple. The front 2.8 inches TFT color display and clearly defined operating panels make it extremely easy to use. Number 4. Intelligent water system. RFID technology detects whether the new Clearal Smart Mini or Clearal Smart is being used and adapts the settings automatically. Number 5. Compact One Touch. Prepare 10 barista quality specialties including espresso doppio, cappuccino, flat white, and latte macchiato at the touch of a button. Number 6. Perfect Espresso. Ultimate coffee quality thanks to Jura's exclusive pulse extraction process. Number 7. Conical Burr Grinder. Fast and precise aroma G3 grinder grinds whole beans to the optimum fineness. Number 8. Eco-friendly. Jura is always freshly ground, not capsuled, fresh taste with very limited waste. Single-serve machine. Number 9. Capacity. 37-ounce cylindrical shape, easy grip water tank, 4.4-ounce bean container, optional pre-ground chute, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does this listed model have a touch screen? Answer. No, this model has a TFT screen, not a touch screen. Question number 2. What is the tallest beverage holder that could be used? Answer. The dual spout adjusts between 2.2 to 5.4 inches. But unless you fill your cup to the very brim, you can use a slightly taller one by tilting it slightly as you put it off and on the tray. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.